We're back here once again, looking for another mine. This place will take about 4 days to actually explore the whole place. There's our first waterfall of the day. Give us a song. That's the most random thing that you fucking could have said. Danger. Cliff edge. Hi ho, off up the hill we go to find a mine and go down a hole. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. It's a hidden waterfall. What a gem.
Wouldn't even notice it, would you?
No, mate. That is amazing. Such a lovely little spot. You can see the glare of water coming off it. The spray in the sunlight.
Okay.
Wow, so is that a cave that goes under there then, or?
It doesn't go too far, to be fair.
Yeah?
No.
That is really cool. Gonna... Go on the mark! Oh wow, you can feel the spray off your face. Go on, Mark. Can I give you that for a sec? Big spoil heap. It just goes as far as the eye can see. There's loads of builders. Up in the woods there's more heaps. Up on the peak. There's a winding drum there. That's a big drum. That's pretty cool. We're in the bush. We're literally, well and truly, in the bush. Bloody hell. Going through here. That's a big drop down there. The tunnel. Let's go through here then.
What, you dropping gloves?
Yeah.
I've got spare hair.
Oh, sound. I've got. Whoa. Right, there's a hole there. Tunnel. Wow. I didn't like that. Got wet then. Didn't like that.
What? What's that big mat in the middle there?
Horrible, horrible looking thing. Ooh!
Oh, snake.
Mate, that's, I know I say it every time, but that's cold water. Just the shock of it. Oh. Sticky yicky yicky. Oh man. Dead end. Oh. Oh.
I'm really glad you didn't tell him this when you got through it.
I'm just checking to make sure. Damn it. Okay. I shall walk back out now then. Across this dodgy thing.
Yeah, I thought it would have been the same.
It's a bloody filled-in hole. And just mad.
That's pretty good fatter impression, isn't it?
Right.
I liked it.
Well, are you trying to scale the cliff?
I don't think we're getting anywhere there. I don't want to do it behind Mark.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk. Yeah.
I'm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk. This bit here looks a little bit less steep.
I was thinking about jumping and I thought there'd probably be a slate sticking straight up like that.
Oh. Yeah. I know. Do you know what? I reckon the next time Mark makes us walk up a hill to walk straight back down, we should fine him. We need a punishment for this behaviour.
Down there?
That's the nimblest I've seen you, Ant. Oh. Oh, fuck,
Why wasn't I filming that?
mate.
I thought that was wrong.
Mate, I was filming that, but I was about 4 foot behind you, and I didn't see. You alright?
Yeah, wait for you boys, you ready?
Yeah. Yo, you just sitting down chilling again?
Yeah.
Right.
Can you go for the rope?
We're going in there.
Oh, right, yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
That's how you do it, Marty. That's how you do it.
You go down to the bottom of it, alright?
Right. Man, okay. Wow, that's quite a steep. Right, I'm just going to hold on.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Right. Oh, I found them. Mate, this rope is really slippy and it's green. Right, I could... Yeah, I'm going to... Yeah, before I get any further, I'm going to...
I'm going to wait for you to get over to one before I get to the next.
Mate, this bit here, there's nothing to hold on to. You're relying on that rope. Right. Up and over. Right, okay. Ah! Right, I'm off. I'm off the second one. Right, I'm off the next one. And I'm going to start descending. Right. I don't know if you can see that, but we're on this rope here coming down. Right. Mate, you look vulnerable.
I'm good, it's just you were so smaller. The joys of being top 6'2".
Right. Yeah, I've got to get right to the bottom. I'm still on the rope. But if you come down that bit there and then come across, it's like a little staircase, but you do need something to hold on to. Okay, I'm off the rope. Right. Let's try. We've got Gaz on the end, got Mark in the middle, and Anthony's coming down the face now. I'm going to get... What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down and enjoy the show. This is a very big cavern. So Collins now, Anthony's still descending. That's it, and if you come this side, see the staircase? And then stay to your right-hand side. Gaz is now past the first carabiner lock. Mark is about to descend. Anthony's off the rope. It's like a sports commentary, this is. We're coming over the final furlong. Mark's descending now.
Tell me if I'm quiet in any of you.
Yeah, same here, man, same here. In fact, yeah. I'll use, that's why I brought it, because these caverns, because my bean torch. It's a big drop in. But that sunlight coming through is lush. Right, Mark's halfway down. Ooh. That's it. Gaz is now at the top. So the rope runs all the way from the edge, all the way around. Yeah, it is quite funny. I tried to treat him like a staircase where I'm walking down, yeah.
Come on, guys.
That's it, Gaz is descending now. There we go, look at that. He's a man that's done this before. He's climbed out many a bedroom window to run away. Hey, that was nuts. Fair play. There's no ropes here, but Let's keep going down, down, down. He tells us that when we get to the bottom. Oh yeah, look, Jesus. Is that just looks like a bridge. Look at that. The way they cut into it. Oh, wow, there's a flooded level there. There's a flooded level in there. The old Coke can with the proper lid.
He split his belly.
You split it? So what happened?
I split it on the shale.
What? So it actually caught the corner of a rock?
Yeah.
And it ripped?
Yeah.
Mate, is that... Do you think then that's a manufacturer's thing, or do you...
get my money back all once.
That's literally it.
I was bragging 10 minutes ago about how I had a dry sock.
And on the video, the website, it shows you them doing this.
Yeah.
Right, let me ask you, are you disappointed?
Yeah, I got a wet sock.
Yeah. I mean, I would be fuming right now with them.
I bought them specifically to have dry socks and I got a wet sock.
Yeah. It's not
And
fair, is it?
I didn't bang my foot to the point where I hurt myself. So it must be just...
And I'm wearing like a basic pair of like Carrymores from like just the shop. Oh, okay. We're going up to knee height. Right, that is coming through now. I'm almost, mate, there's loads of big pieces of rock on the floor and it's a bit loose actually. You don't know when you're going to stand across them. Right, some train tracks. Lovely. It always makes me feel a bit happier. Building shaft. I wonder if that's the one we walked over earlier. Big peg, wooden peg sticking out of the wall. Right, so we come through here. What's that? It's a bit of aluminium. It looks like a heat guard or something.
You're like killing me.
Sorry, mate. Sorry.
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 It's just very blinded.
I'll turn it down one second and see if it makes it.
You just keep popping around your back and pointing straight at me.
Yeah, I gotta try get a carabiner lock and put it on there to hold it. Whoa, they disappeared. Whoa. Proper head killers. Wow, okay. Whoa. Oh, look at the chain. Are we at the bottom of that cavern then? Oh, flipping hell. Wow. Wow. It just goes straight down there. Tied to an anchor point there. That is mad. Big false floor. Wow, this is a cool cavern. That was a sealed box or something, like an oil tin or something. It's like an oil drum. Mate, I doubt there's a rat in here. But I wouldn't believe it. Look at it, look at the shape of that, that's cool. Where they cut it out. That is cool. So, are we going down this chain? Okay, thank God for that. No, I didn't. Holy bloody, there's a whole skeleton.
It's a cave rabbit with corn on my around.
Oh, man.
You'll see what's going up here now.
Oh, you dirty man. I get away with it.
Very close, mate. Wipe my eyes with these guys now.
Oh, I can't believe you picked it up. Is that a bolt door, Jack? Oh, that's a bolt that you hit into the wall.
Split through, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's just like 2 seconds behind. It's like an echo. Not the same thing. Everything I say, like you say 2 seconds.
I can't hear anything. When you get 5 from us, it's nothing. Just.
Yeah, there's basically.
That's what I said.
I've got bad hearing as well, so I end up like being quite loud. Is that another one?
It might go up. God. Yeah. Pack of ciggies, isn't it? Well, they're all proper old Bensons.
What are they, Bensons?
Yeah.
Oh, gold.
Who fancies guinea pig in? Come on, mate. I guinea pigged into here.
There's a lip there.
Hi, Jared.
What's the
Guinea
what?
pig it. Suck your own dick again.
Oh, okay.
So, Ben was here. That's Ben to do a stupid fucking penguin wall.
Ben has a. I really don't know how he manages to do
Oh,
it.
he's got a hell of a wall.
He's like he's a contortionist. Mate, it does. It does go up, yeah.
Huh?
It does go up.
What? You said that other week as well, I went nowhere.
We're never going to get up there because that's like a really slippy face.
That's all you can get.
But it does go up, and there's.
Let's get, we can go across now to the other side.
Wow, that's cool. There, you can never get 100%.
No, like GTA that is.
Oh right.
Colin always said he never cheated, then he could never get 100%. We do.
Yeah, if you.
You could never. You always said I never cheated on GTA. You knew your account couldn't get past 99. It was like you cheated. We do.
GTA had a thing, yeah, where if you cheated on it, you just couldn't complete it. Innit? Further down the water.
Yeah, wherever that is, it's fucking do well to get there. Wow, or something, isn't it? But that's it. Just got to say in the end, and park it. Yeah.
Yeah,
And it won't be able to see a fucking.
it's mad.
No, fuck.
Some water. Some water. Oh, right, that was my head. Some contacts.
Our hands are very bad.
It looks like there's light down there. Oh, it does look like there's a light down there. Is it a torch? There's definitely light down there.
Carry on where we were going before we went in the hole?
Yeah, this is where we came in.
Yes, we carry on the dry park before we get through.
There's a light there,
I think just go out.
so we could get out this way. Oh, it's right on my knees. Oh, it's above Cullen's knees there. Whoa! Cullen's into his bloody balls there. I'm on my tiptoes.
Oh, he's going to be the leader, that's what it is. He's going to walk somewhere.
Oh, I'm gonna get wet here. Because if you're in up to your... Oh, for fuck's sake.
Mate, it's holding. It's not going into my shoes yet. Oh, now it is.
See, if that's that deep on you, it's a lot deeper on me. No, I'm just gonna have to go for it now. I'm just gonna get wet. Didn't want it.
I thought this went off somewhere. I've never seen this like 5 miles off. No, it's the other side. I keep telling you it's the other side. Oh, right. Why are we doing that one first? Why are we doing that one last? This is the one next to the waterfall. Alright, that's a good point. Let's go up then, quickly.
Oh, mate.
Oh, fuck, I'll go back down.
Oh.
Oh, you can see what, there's no people over there. Yeah, but we just got socked in it. No, you just got, you got to come.
Mate, I'm as wet as you, but I don't want to get anyone.
I didn't need that, right.
If you want, you can go that way, and I'll meet you outside. So we've got wet, and we still have to climb up now, or we get a bit wetter and we go that way. How deep was it, Oddy?
I can just do something about him.
Yeah, no, that's it. But how deep was it, Oddy?
When did I stop when you start?
Huh? Alright. That's been going.
Oh.
Yeah, but you were taking a step and you were just...
Is what?
What was that?
That's a rock, mate, that's rocks falling off the roof.
You got
That's
You still got lights on and you go
still
for a
got lights on the GoPro.
Yeah. Hey, look, there's an oak tree growing there.
Fuck the oak tree.
Right, are we going back or forward?
Change the fucking
Back or forward?
I am sopping.
Back or forward?
We'll dry on the way to the next one.
Right,
We'll
we'll-
go again. It's okay. Back. We're going to get wet on the next one anyway, so...
We're gonna stay. Mate, I felt something in the water then, like a bar.
It was my faith that you fall into the river. That's what it was.
What the hell? You chucking shit, yeah?
No, there's stuff falling off the roof.
Those fancy bringers down here, but.
Yeah, I'm just trying to keep my trousers as much out. I'm right on the edge.
Just can't.
Oh, shit.
What was that? Me,
I'm getting attacked. Again. I can't believe I kept my trousers dry then.
Did you?
Yeah. So we're going back up through there. Up here now. Oh. We both did it at the same time. Grab the rope. I'm up. I'm coming across. Nice big drop.
That's exactly what I did.
Nice.
I have a lot of faith in that rope doing it like that, don't I?
You can be a cameraman. Cameraman Cole. The screen's dark, so I don't even know what I can see.
it's all right.
There we go, I can see now. We can see now. I don't know what Anthony's doing. I'm going to have to go away for a minute to see what he's doing. He doesn't want to do the rope by the looks of it. He's saying it's not strong enough, but he can obviously not pull himself up, so he's justifying himself. Look. What's he doing?
I didn't trust that rope at all.
Oh, did you trust that?
Yeah, I could tell that on the back.
You didn't trust that rope, but you just
surprisingly strong.